to another great video. My name is Alex and we are on the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track. Currently, I'm sitting in the brand new 2021 Hennessey Venom 775 F-150. It is the 5-liter V8 supercharged beast that we've all been waiting for. And today we're going to be comparing it against one of our favorite trucks, the TRX. This truck does come with a warranty, just like all of our packages. We do a lot of R&D to make sure what we install, what we do, all the modifications and tuning that we do is going to be really reliable. You're going to be able to drive this every day, enjoy it, and not worry about what's going to happen. So without further ado, let's jump into this race. The TRX is in all-wheel drive all the time, and the F-150 is going to stay in two-wheel drive. So let's just see what happens. We ready to roll into this? I'm ready. We're gonna leave these trucks in automatic mode, so they're gonna shift on their own, and we're just gonna hit the gas when we hit the cone. So here we go. We're pulling on it. We're pulling. Oh my gosh, walking away. Supercharged 2021 F-150 pulling on and walking away from a stock Ram TRX with 702 horsepower. The 775 does have more horsepower than the stock T-Rex, but we have a little bit taller lift. It would be difficult for this truck in two-wheel drive to compete with the all-wheel drive TRX. The TRX launches very hard, stock or modified, but it is crazy to see how fast this Venom 775 truck really is. And for those of you that want a Ford truck, here's your option. It's just as fast or faster than the T-Rex, and you got it in a Ford truck. So very cool. All right, let's do one more. Venom 775 has some really cool options. We of course have the 775 horsepower, which is derived from the supercharger that goes onto the Coyote V8 engine. Front and rear bumpers with LED lights, fold down side steps, off-road lift, suspension upgrade, and of course 35-inch tires with 20-inch off-road Hennessey wheels. If you like Ford trucks more than Ram trucks, don't worry, we did not forget about you. And if you haven't ordered yours yet, make sure to give us a call because you want to get on that list now. It's filling up very quickly. And thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because we don't want you to miss anything that we have coming up. So thanks again. We'll see you guys next time.
Drive a stock one when you can drive this.